Hello once again. This is Saint Julian, one of the most popular towns in Malta. Very popular about nightlife, very touristy, and when I finish my walk through Sliema, I decide to go in Saint Julian and see what's happened. Of course, it's always so crowded here. You see a lot of restaurants, bars during the night, and especially during the summer, it's a pretty crazy place. But it's a mid of the May, so spring still in Mediterranean, and hope we can make some nice walking tour in beautiful and very busy Saint Julian. Lot of restaurants and some little more peaceful places. Okay. Enjoy peace for a few seconds, then go back to busy streets of Saint Julian. For a moment I want to record that shot, but it's so busy that I don't have even chance to do it. Life is better in Malta. I believe it is. Today is a working day. It's a Monday, and summer, as I said, still not started. And as you can see, Saint Julian is full of people. Spar Express. Maybe later I'll go to make some shopping, and I'll try to show you some of the prices in Malta markets, but definitely not in Saint Julian. I'll try to go back to Sliema and maybe make some shopping in some of bigger markets, but you can find a lot of supermarkets here. It's a Spar, it's a lot of other little green if you want to choose something healthy, but to be honest, it's pretty hard to me to connect people who come to party in Saint Julian with healthy food, but why not? I'm heading to Paceville. It's absolutely center of nightlife in Saint Julian, but it's still pretty early. So I'm going to visit the beach, and after that maybe to go find some food and drink, because for the first day I walked a lot. Havana. So chicken doner about €8. It's not so cheap, but it is what it is. If you want to spend time in St. Julian, and even if I'm not fan of that type of holidays, you need to pay, of course. You can always choose some cheaper solution like Burger King or McDonald's, and I'm just thinking about visiting Burger King later, so maybe we can check the prices in Burger King also. And here we are. Beautiful small beach, very calm water. I think only few people in water, but it's the end of the day, and this will be the end of this video. Just short walk in St. Julian. My first day in Malta in 25. Like always, a lot of construction works here, but in next days, like always, a lot more from beautiful Malta.
Hatta ben daha
Open water beer garden. Sound very interesting. I am more than ready to drink some Cisk. So that's it. Time to go back to Sliema. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked it, and see you in next one from Malta and then from beautiful Greece.